Welcome friends to my channel The Life, and we are reading the book The Big Leap by गे हेंड्रिक्स। तो अब तक हमने जो पढ़ा है उसमें हमने समझा है कि गे हेंड्रिक्स इज़ वर्किंग ऑन हिज ओन अपर लिमिट प्रॉब्लम, और उसमें उन्होंने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि कैसे उनकी बेटी अमेंडा किसी कैंप में गई है और वहाँ पे उनको लगा कि शी इज़ नॉट वेल। तो ये एक रीज़न हुआ जैसे जिसमें उनको अच्छी फीलिंग के लिए लिमिट किया गया, खुद को ही उन्होंने लिमिट किया था। सो वी आर रीडिंग फॉरवर्ड। द प्रॉब्लम लुक्ड मच बिगर दैन माई ओन स्मॉल विजन ऑफ इट। Our species in general had grown accustomed to pain and adversity through millennia of struggle. We knew how to feel bad. We had millions of nerves connections devoted to registering pain, and we had a huge expanse of territory in the center of our bodies dedicated to feeling fear. Certainly, we had pleasure points in various places too, but where were the mechanisms for ongoing natural good feeling? I realized that we were only recently evolving the ability of let ourselves feel good and have things go well for any significant period of time. The first question I wanted to answer was this: how can I extend the periods of contentment in my life? Even better questions sprang up. If I can eliminate the behaviors that stop the flow of positive energy, can I learn how to feel great all the time? Can I allow things to go well in my life all the time? In relationships, can I live in harmony and intimacy all the time? Can our species live in expanding waves of peace and prosperity, free from patterns of missing things up when they are going well? I owe my life to those questions. In the process of answering them, I was able to create the kind of life I had only dreamed about, as well as to help many others make their dreams come true. The discovery catapulted me out of an excellent life into an extraordinary place I had never imagined. We have got happy kids, we live in a house we love, and I haven't had to do anything I didn't want to do for so long I can't even remember what it feels like. If any or all of that sounds good to you, you are holding in your hands the way to make it happen for yourself. Chapter 1: Preparing for your big leap. The one problem and how to solve it. How to begin? If you would like to make your journey to the zone of genius smooth and rapid, please take a moment now to answer 4 questions. Start with this fundamental one. First, am I willing to increase the amount of time every day that I feel good inside? When I use the phrase feel good, I am talking about a natural inner sense of well being that's not dependent on outside factors such as what you have eaten or what you might be doing. It's important to begin with a willingness of feel good inside, because there is no sense enhancing other parts of my life at the expense of your inner well-being. I would like you to spend more and more time every day enjoying an organic, deep feeling and body mind wellness. That's what I would like you to say yes to, if you are so inclined. If you said yes to increasing the amount of time you feel good inside, let us extend the question to the outer aspect of your life. Am I willing to increase the amount of time that my whole life goes well? Oh, When I use the phrase whole life, I am talking about your work, your relationships, your creative pursuits, and any other aspects that are central to your life. What I would like for you, if you are willing, is for all of your life to flow more positively and easefully for longer and longer periods of time. Thank you, friends. We will end here today. Will Please stay connected for next questions in next video. Thank you.